Hi guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing and an overview of an SFX power supply. This brand is by Kolink. Now, I've never brought a Kolink power supply before, because normally I go for Corsair. But because the Corsair SFX power supplies are very expensive, they come to around £100. This one, which is by Kolink, I think they do PC cases. This was brought from a UK website for $39.99, free shipping. So I thought, why not? This is going to be for my mini ITX build. So I thought, and it's also 80 plus bronze, and it's 350 watts. And the setup I'm going for, I think 350 will do. And yeah, it arrived today. It came with this kettle plug. I don't know why it came separate with the. It didn't come inside the box. It came outside, packaged. Probably because the box is too small. This is why they included it on the side. Now looking at the box, as you can see, 350 watt SFX side, AC input. Yep. There we go. Okay, now let's open it up. Oops. Okay. Tripod's falling off. Now let's have a look. Manual. Okay, so it comes with the screws. Of course, the kettle plug. That side. And here's the unit itself. It's not modular. It actually comes with all the cables attached. This is the top view, side view, and one thing I've noticed, this doesn't come with the on and off switch. I think they're trying to save costs there. This is the side. Some ventilation holes. SFX 350, 85% efficiency, Kolink. Yeah. Let's look at the cables. Your usual ketchup and mustard cables. Here's a 24-pin motherboard cable. Okay, you got your Molex. And these are for the hard drives, I believe. Got your 2+4 for the CPU. And you've got an 8-pin for your GPU. Yep, and that's it. I will be doing a review of it, update on the new system. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.